What a beautiful day. Hey everybody, Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. And frankly, when you're relaxing as you camp, every day is a great day. Today, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the Thor Freedom Elite line of Class C motorhomes. 8 of the 9 Freedom Elite floor plans are gas models. For most, the chassis will be the Ford E350 or E450. One has a Chevy chassis, and the Lone Wolf is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 diesel. The diesel has a trailer hitch rating of 5,000 pounds, while the rest sit at 8,000 pounds. Freedom Elites range in length from 24 feet to a smidge over 32 feet. Since I mentioned that one lone Freedom Elite diesel, I'm going to start at that one. The Freedom Elite 24 FE is efficiently put together and has a wall slide on the driver's side that pulls out the 76-inch Dream dinette, the queen bed, and a pair of closets. A straight-line kitchen sits on the campsite, and a cab over bunk is up front. The 24 FE is capable of sleeping up to 6 people. Now on to the Class C gas Freedom Elite models. First up is the 22 FE. A single slide on the driver's side pulls out the queen bed to provide a walk-around space. A full-length pantry sits across from the straight-line kitchen and beside the Dream dinette. You'll find a nice-sized wardrobe closet in the bedroom as well. And as with the rest of the Freedom Elites, the 22 FE has a 40-inch TV on an easy-to-use swivel in the cab over bunk. The 22 FE can also sleep up to 6 people. Next up is the first of 2 Freedom Elite floor plans without a slide, the 22 HE. A streamlined design is the hallmark of the 22 HE. It has its queen bed in the rear campsite corner, moving the bathroom to the driver's side beside the bedroom. The rest of the 22 HE has a similar layout to the 22 FE, including the Dream dinette and straight line kitchen, plus its ability to sleep up to 6 people. The other Freedom Elite without a slide is the 23H. The differences between it and the 22HE comes via its slightly longer length, plus the 23H adds a swivel chair. It also moves the fridge to the driver's side and has a slightly larger kitchen sink. How many does it sleep? You guessed it, up to 6 people. Moving along, we come to the 24HE. Effectively, this is the gas version of the diesel 24 FE, with one difference. The 24HE has the 40-inch TV on a swivel in the cab over bunk. Moving up the scale in terms of length, we have the Freedom Elite 26HE. This Elite has a single slide to pull out the queen bed and moves the entry into the middle of the campsite wall. Its length allows for a jackknife sofa addition. The kitchen is split with the fridge and the closet on the campsite, and the rest of the kitchen directly across. For you foodies, the kitchen counter adds more depth as well. At 71 inches, the Dream dinette is a little shorter than the others, but the 26HE can still sleep 6 without any issue. As we get longer, we gain more space. Next up is the brand new 27 FE. It has a wall slide on the driver's side to pull out the jackknife sofa, most of the kitchen, and a king-size bed. The 27 FE is the only Freedom Elite that comes with a king-size bed. To add more to the bedroom, a large closet sits on the back wall. As with the 26HE, the fridge is separated from the rest of the kitchen, standing next to the pantry and the closet. The Dream dinette is at 71 inches, and the 27 FE can sleep at least 6 people. Now we move to the first of the Freedom Elite multi-slide floor plans, the 28 FE. On the driver's side, you'll find a slide-out containing the Dream dinette and jackknife sofa. On the campsite in the back, the queen bed pulls out on a slide. The 28 FE has a long straight-line kitchen complete with a pop-up countertop outlet. The kitchen lies entirely on the campsite, and the outside entry is moved back up to the front. It also has a 32-inch TV on its exterior as standard equipment. How many does it sleep? You guessed it, at least 6 people. Our final Freedom Elite floor plan is the 30 FE. The 30 FE also has a pair of slides. The driver's side one pulls out the jackknife sofa and L-shaped kitchen with a pop-up countertop outlet. Opposite the L-shaped kitchen on the campsite sits the fridge. The second slide is campside and pulls out the bedroom dresser, closet, and a pair of twin bunks. Yep, the 30 FE is a bunkhouse model. The main bedroom has a walk-around queen bed and a solid pocket door to enable some privacy. Plus, you'll find a 32-inch exterior TV as standard equipment. This time, the how many does it sleep question is answered with a whopping total of 8 people. Are you a first-timer? No worries. All Freedom Elite floor plans have a lot going for them to make your adventures more comfortable. For example, inside, you'll find a roomy living space with an 84-inch ceiling height, plus seating comfort with a comfy Dream dinette booth. The kitchen is equipped with a double-door fridge, recessed 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover, pressed laminate countertops, and Brazilian cherry high-sheen flat-panel cabinet doors with nickel finish hardware. A highlight in the kitchen is the large single-bowl stainless steel sink and faucet with pull-down sprayer. On a Freedom Elite exterior, you'll relax in camp comfort under a power patio awning with LED lighting. Plus, get other features such as an Onan RV generator, mega storage compartment, and lighted rotocast storage. So, whether you're a camping couple or have a large camping family and are ready to go on your planned adventures, you'll be sure to find the Class C motorhome you want within the set of 9 Thor Freedom Elite floor plans.